We're going to talk about specific examples. Bosch, I want to start with you over at NRC. Give us a specific example that you'd like to highlight.
Sure, Luke. I'm excited to talk about a partnership where we currently have underway with our industry stakeholders. So, as I have mentioned before, that we are really looking to accelerate the use of AI in our licensing review process. And so, how that works here at the NRC is we receive uh, applications from our stakeholders and from industry, from utilities, and then it comes to us. And then on our side, we take it, and then we're going to use AI on our side. But they're also going to use AI on their side to prepare those applications so they have a much stronger application right out the gate. So that
Mm,
hopefully will reduce the amount of time it takes for us to go back and forth and and have questions. So in order to do that, we have worked with the partners in looking at our public data repository. It's called Atoms. And working with them, we have decided we will go ahead and curate those data sets for them. It's public data, but instead of having them scrape our data sets all day long, which is what was happening, we had all different industry and organizations scraping data. We now provide curated data sets so they have confidence in that data. It's trusted, it's secure. We use an external SharePoint so that we also have some control over who's coming in and accessing it. The reason
hmm
we want, even though it's public data, we want to have that because we want to get feedback. We want to be good stewards of that data. We want it to be a strategic asset, and we want it to be something that actually accelerates the application process. So we're finding great results. We also, it doesn't need to be monetized. It's public data. We want to provide that. So our data scientists meet monthly with key stakeholders, talk about which data sets are needed the most, and then we prepare those. In addition to doing that, in December, we released a new API. It's a full text API that also has reduced the amount of hits to our website, which again, it's something that we're all making sure that we provide that service to the public. That API was showcased in March at our annual conference, and we're getting great feedback about that. It's a game changer. It's just a full game changer. We also improved our search functionality on that database and using some of our AI tools, and we're getting the results are just far above and beyond what they were getting in the prior search functionality. So those three key pieces, we expect a huge acceleration in the amount of time it takes. It'll reduce that time it takes to actually approve an application and then get to construction on some of these new nuclear technologies.